Everybody's looking for that perfect aquarium star. Meet the discus fish. Let's explore their world in 60 seconds. With their vibrant colors and graceful movements, discus fish are the true gems of freshwater aquariums. Originating from the Amazon basin, they come in spectacular patterns and hues. Blue, red, green, you name it. Their disc-shaped bodies and elegant fins make them stand out. And their social nature? They love to swim in groups, creating a stunning display. But wait, there's more. Discus fish are intelligent and can recognize their owners. Yes, you heard it right, they'll even come to the front of the tank to greet you. Maintaining them is easy with the right care. Warm water, a clean tank, and a balanced diet keep them happy and healthy. So why not add a splash of color and elegance to your aquarium? Discover the beauty of discus fish today. Like and subscribe for more fishy facts.